In the previous lecture, we presented Moshe Greenberg's theory regarding the essential differences between biblical and Mesopotamian legal philosophy. We saw that these different viewpoints may account for the disparities between the law regarding the warned ox's owner in the Bible and the Code of Hammurabi. Greenberg attempts to explain in a similar way other discrepancies between Mesopotamian and Israelite Goring ox laws. We have seen that in the Bible, the Goring ox is stoned, while in Mesopotamian law he is not considered part of the legal process. Greenberg suggests that this divergence derives from the Bible's distinctive understanding of homicide.
Man was made in the image of God. Of all creatures, Genesis 1 relates, he alone possesses this attribute, bringing him into closer relationship with God than all the rest and conferring upon him highest value. A beast that kills a man destroys the image of God and must give a reckoning for it. Now this is the law of the Goring ox in Exodus. It must be stoned to death. The beast is laden with guilt and is therefore an object of horror.
The third disparity we presented before regards the biblical addition to the law of the warned ox. So too, if it gores a minor, male or female, the owner shall be dealt with according to the same rule. Greenberg interprets this curious addition according to a similar principle.
This clause, a long-standing puzzle for exegetes, has only recently been understood for what it is, a specific repudiation of vicarious punishment in the manner familiar from cuneiform law.
The term vicarious punishment refers to a type of retaliation which assumes that if a man injures a son or daughter of another man, he has to pay for them with his own son or daughter. As Greenberg notes, this legal principle is known in Mesopotamian laws.
There, a builder who, through negligence, caused the death of a householder's son must deliver up his own son. Here, the negligent owner of a vicious ox who has caused the death of another's son or daughter must be dealt with in the same way as when he caused the death of a man or woman. To wit, the owner is to be punished, not his son or daughter.
Greenberg essentially claims here that the biblical emphasis, a minor shall be dealt with according to the same rule, is in fact a polemic against a specific type of Mesopotamian penal system. The Mesopotamian use of vicarious punishment is rejected here. Greenberg applies the same approach to biblical law in general.
This principle of individual culpability in fact governs all of biblical law. Nowhere does the criminal law of the Bible, in contrast to that of the rest of the Near East, punish secular offences collectively or vicariously. Murder, negligent homicide, seduction, and so forth are punished solely on the personal responsibility of the actual culprit.